Meow. Meow. So we'll draw this meowy kitty. Just starting out getting those nice loose lines in. Feeling my way around. Looking for shapes within Kitty's face. And it looks a little messy at this stage, but you know, drawing can be messy while we're finding our way for sure, but that's how we learn. Line there to help me place the eyes. All those extra lines are just going to kind of fade into background tone. I want to make sure the ears are coming from the right place. And with the other features like the nose and eyes, you kind of want to make sure they're set into the contour of the face so they look more natural. Kind of messed up that second tooth, but that's okay. I don't think it really shows anyways. The way I've done it, it kind of blends into the mouth lines. And I think Kitty's either missing the top teeth or they just aren't showing, and that's okay. We can honor that. Tabby stripes. Tabby stripes are a good lesson in contour because they need to go around the contour of the cat's face. Lots of pondering time too, thinking about each next line. Because less is more, and it's so easy to go too far too fast. But if you do mess up, then, you know, you just take your learning and you apply it to your next sketch. That darkness underneath the lip line kind of helps push the inside of the mouth back a bit too. Try to make it so it's not just a discombobulated head. A little bit of shoulder lines and neck lines. Little smirk there. Tiny little changes in lines can really make a difference in the change of the expression on any animal. So we'll speed it up here now. We'll put some whiskers on. I like some of the whiskers to cross over. Helps it make it look more natural. Bit of whisker dots, not much, just a hint, you know, just to show they're there. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.